Okay, there it is, that annoying service reminder beeping. I'd heard a rumor that after 5 hours it automatically quits. So I'm now 6 hours-ish past, and she's still making noise. So let's see if we can get that baby to stop. Okay, let's try to go through this procedure. So it says turn on ignition key, but do not start. Leave ignition on position. Got it. Then we're going to verify the dashboard oil pressure and battery indicator lights are on. And hopefully you can see that they are. Now we're going to remove the fuse labeled reset in the fuse box. So with this one here, it's not the upper fuse box. It's the lower fuse box down by your left foot as you're sitting in the seat. So I already pulled the cover off of that. Let's see if I can locate that. There we go. So there's the cover. With any luck I can find one that says reset. There it is. Hopefully you can see that. Looks like it's the it's the third one. Okay. Let's see, I might walk around the other side so I can get a front-facing shot of that bunch of fuses. Okay. So there's the fuse block. So I grabbed that fuse box cover so I make it a little easier so you can see what we're looking at here. So it's the top row and it's the third fuse in. This says reset. So I borrowed the fuse puller from the upper fuse box, and I'm gonna see if I can record this and get both my arms in here and pull that fuse. We'll see. Got it. Okay. So the reset fuse is pulled. What's my next step? Okay. Press and hold the trip button and keep holding it for the next few steps. Oh, this is going to be a two-hander. This ought to be fun. Hopefully you guys don't fall. I got you propped up on the steering wheel, so I'm going to hold the trip reset, and then I'm going to shut the ignition switch off for 1 second, then on for 2 seconds. I got to do that 5 times. 1001, 1001, 1002, 1001, 1001, 1002, 1001, 1001, 1002, 1001, 1001, 1002, 1001, 1001, 1002, 1001, 1001, 1002. If I counted right, that's 5 times. Now it's supposed to do a self-check on the panel, at which time I can release the trip reset button. So I still see the service flashing. But I'm going to try to complete the sequence. So at this point it says replace the fuse and press and release the trip reset button. The service reminder should go out. So let's put that fuse back in. Which is kind of fun to reach when you have a camera in your hand. We're getting there. Can't find it. There we go. So that's back in. Now we're going to come back up to the dash after I make you all motion sick and press and release the trip reset button. The service reminder should go out. Pressed and released. Hey, look at that. I think we got her, boys. So that looks like that worked pretty good. All right, everybody, a moment of truth. Let's fire this baby up and see if that service reminder's still off. Hey, there we go. That sounds much better. Nice. Very nice. And it really wasn't too bad. I followed that procedure I found, and it worked well. Keeping track of the key on and off for 5 times with the 1 and the 2 second. That might be the only thing that you get hung up on. And I'm assuming if you miscount or whatever, you just have to do that portion again. But yeah, it seems to work well. Oh man, it's so much quieter. So I'll leave these steps in the comments. That way you guys can follow them. But hopefully this